So how you can make $7,750 in one day promoting one affiliate product using Google Ads. Now in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I did it using Google Ads, and I'm going to show you step by step what is really important and what you have to consider if you're about to use let's say Google Ads as your primarily source of traffic, basically promoting other people's product as an affiliate, maybe on ClickBank, maybe on MaxWeb or any other affiliate network platform out there, right? So let me show you exactly how I did it. As you can see on my screen, I made over $7,700 in one day with one affiliate offer, right? So what is the most important thing with Google Ads? Let me show it here. As you can see over here, I wrote down relevance increases conversions. What do I mean by that? If you go on Google, and let me show you main example right now. Let's go to Google, and as you can see here, I typed in how to lose more weight faster, right? Because as you know, it's all about intent. On Google, people are looking for the solutions to their problems, to their pains, right? So what is the most important thing? If you are let's say a visitor to the page, if you are about to buy the product, what's important to you, right? It's all about relevance, and Google cares about relevance in 2022. Going further into 2023, they will care more about being relevant with your landing pages. So I see the biggest mistake affiliate marketers make, right? It's just put up some scammy affiliate lender without any content, without any value. Just like VSL, right? Click this video, watch this video, buy now, that's it, right? And then people wonder, why do they get shut down? Why do they lose ad account on Google, on Facebook, on YouTube, right? Why are they losing accounts? It's just because of this one thing. First of all, it's just one thing, and this is not being relevant enough and not having content rich landing pages or professional websites built, right? So most people are lazy doing that, so they're losing their accounts, they're losing time and money doing nonsense that does not work. So as you can see here, if I'm a customer looking for the product, right, I type in how to lose more weight fast, right? So I'm looking to lose weight, and maybe it's just about to be a summer, like in Europe, right? It's going to be summer, so I'm looking to lose weight fast, right? I have desire to look better, to have six-pack abs on the beach, for example. So if I see that your lender going to appear, or your ad is going to appear here and give me the exact thing, the exact headline that I'm looking for, right? I will click on it, right? I will click on it and I will purchase the product. But if I look for example, how to lose more weight faster, and you show up with some crappy scammy lender and the wrong headline, for example, something totally unrelated to my topic, to my problem, to my solutions, then of course I will not be interested to even click on it. And because of that, your cost per click is going to rise higher, and you will not get any sales, and you will lose lots of money. And this is what most affiliates are doing wrong. They are not relevant enough, and they don't know what is the buyer's intent, right? The most important thing on Google is also intent, right? What is intent? Let's say I'm looking to buy new iPhone, right? So I'm looking for iPhone, and you are selling me Samsung or Nokia, or I don't know, any other phone out there, right? Of course, it's not relevant enough. It's not into my buyer's intent, and I will not buy the product. So it's really important to understand this. Once you have this in place, once you know how to structure your landing page, your ad copy, your message to market match, then of course you're going to have results over time, and you're going to have results. You are going to have hundreds of dollars in profits every single day, if not even thousands as an affiliate, right? So thank you for watching this video, and if you want to have more help, any more support, let me know and I will gladly help you. So please subscribe to my channel, and below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts.